This is the Gladius Mini underwater drone. Shoots in a crystal clear 4K resolution so you can see under the sea.
It has 5 stabilizing propellers so you can get really smooth video.
You can even drive it at preset angles.
It can dive down to 100 meters. It has a 2-hour battery life so you can relax and not feel rushed.
You can even live stream to YouTube or share it directly to Facebook. It's small, portable, and it fits right in this backpack.
Sometimes we see dolphins out here, you know, somewhere.
It's great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks.